on to the most awaited award of the day. This award has received the highest number of nominations this year, and the awardees have been cherry-picked by our jury members. Our 40 Under 40 award recognizes young compliance professionals who, under the age of 40, have made a significant impact to their profession. Without much further ado, the first 20 awardees under this category in alphabetical order are Mr. Ajinkya Ingwale, Amrapali Khange, Ms. Amrita Deshpande, Mr. Ankur Kumar, Mr. Archit Agarwal, Mr. Arun Kumar Mondal, Mr. Anurag Bhattacharya, Ms. Ashima Wadhwan, Mr. Avnesh Mishra, Mr. Bhubneshwar Sharma, Mr. Colin DeMello, Mr. Deven Shah, Mr. Devesh Srivastava, Mr. Dushyant Upadhyay, Mr. Hemant Panchal, Ms. Isha Mane, Mr. Jitendra Singh Yadav, Mr. Karthikeyan Raghu, Ms. Kritika Raghu, and Mr. Kunal Arora. We would like to heartily congratulate the awardees for this award.
Hello everyone, this is Amrapali Khange. I would like to thank Legacies team for presenting me with this wonderful award, 40 Under 40. And I would really take this opportunity to thank my legal manager, Mr. Abbas Motawala, who has guided me and supported me through our legal compliances throughout our company. So yeah, and congratulations to all the winners who have won today. Thank you.
I am very humbled to receive this award under the category 40 Under 40. I would really like to thank Legacies Compliance 10 on 10 jury members, and I would also like to thank my seniors in Godrej for always pushing me and encouraging me for more compliance in my organization.
Hi team, good afternoon. This is Ankur Kumar, and I have been awarded the Compliance Champion in the 40 Under 40 category for the Legacies Annual Symposium, the 1010 awards. So for this award, I would like to thank the entire jury at the Legacies team to enable me to win this award. I treat this as a win for the entire team at Cummins at Legacies, who have always proactively supported us in achieving the main goal that the Comply Plus program stands for, that is to follow the law everywhere. Also, I would like to thank my team at Cummins, consisting of Nikhil, Avnish and Ayush, who have constantly extended all their support that they can to help us achieve this goal. So I would like to also extend my heartfelt gratitude to my family, who have always supported with my work, kept up with the odd timings at any point of time. So this award goes out to all of them. So thank you team once again for this award. Have a good day.
It is an immense pleasure to receive this award consecutively third year from Legacies. I am very, very thankful to the Legacies and jury members for giving me this opportunity. Thank you once again.
I am extremely honored to get this award. Thanks to Legacies team for this award. I would like to convey my thanks and gratitude to my friends, families, my parents, my colleagues for their constant support and motivation. This award means a lot to me. Thanks to Legacies team once again.
I would like to thank Legacies for this 40 Under 40 award presented to me. I would like to congratulate all my other fellow governance professionals who have been awarded today.
It is a huge honor for me to receive this award for being the Compliance 10 Under 10. I am deeply honored by Legacies jury to recognize me for this award. I would also like to thank Scadilla management team, my family members and my senior for their support and faith. This tool provides management to govern and ensure the legal activities smoothly without any negotiation with EHS and environment. In future, this may help us on our development without costing to ecosystem. And simultaneously, other corporate sectors and industry may also get enthusiastically involved to keep our cool and green.
Thank you Legacies team for presenting this award to me under Compliance 40 Under 40. This award means a lot to me. I like to extend my gratitude towards my team members, my managers and my family for extending their support and their guidance to me for presenting this award to me. This award means a lot to me, and once again thank you Legacies team for this wonderful award. Thank you.
It must have been a tough task for the jury member, and I am earnestly grateful for the recognition, as I am very sure that every other nominee for this award was as capable, if not more, of winning this award. On this occasion, I would like to thank my parents, family, friends and my Adani Parivar. I would also like to thank Legacies team for their support, selection committee for this award, and Compliance 10x10 team for such a wonderful event. I would like to dedicate this award to my team, and on behalf of my team and my own behalf, I accept this award. Jai Hind.
I am extremely delighted for winning this precious award in Compliance 1010 event associated by Legacies. It's my pleasure to win this award in category 40 Under 40 for compliances. C1010 is a wonderful event to honor compliance professionals. Thank you so much Legacies team for counting on me again. I would also like to extend my gratitude to my mentors, my colleagues, my company and also my family members for all kind of support. We are also grateful to have Legacies as our compliance partner. Thank you so much Legacies.
Hello all, this is Isha Mane from Cummins India. This is an extremely exciting moment for me as this is my first award in the legal circle. Firstly, I would like to thank the Legacies Compliance 10 on 10 team for arranging these awards and shortlisting me as a winner for the 40 Under 40 Compliance Awards. I would also like to express my gratitude to my parents and my brother as well as my mentors from Cummins India who have constantly motivated and supported me throughout in this journey. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this award comes to me not only as a recognition of my efforts but also will act as a motivation to keep striving towards my goal at work. Legacies is helping to build and sustain compliance culture across industries and boundaries, and I am humbled to receive such a prestigious award under 40 Under 40 category by Legacies. I also wish to mention the generous support that I have received from my mentors, colleagues, family and friends. Thank you Team Legacies and Team BSC.
Good day everyone, my name is Karthik. I work for BSH Household Appliances Manufacturing Private Limited. And I would like to thank Legacies for this brilliant opportunity and for this award. And I've gotten this 40 Under 40 award. This is very encouraging. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank my manager, Ms. Tanuja, and my colleague, Ms. Ketki, for asking me to participate in this event. At the same time, I would like to thank my CFO, Satyanarayanan, for giving me this opportunity to work in the compliance team. I'm also really very grateful to my family and friends who supported me throughout this compliance journey. Thank you very much everyone.
Do whatever is right in the interest of the organization. Hi, I am Kunal Arora from Tata Consumer Products Limited. I am extremely overjoyed and feel honored to receive the award in the category of 40 Under 40. Thanks to the Legacies team and the eminent jury members who have recognized my efforts in strengthening the compliance culture in my organization. Thanks to my organization, my peers and my team members for their continuous support and commitment toward building a robust compliance culture in my organization. And most importantly, my family for the constant encouragement for striving towards excellence. Thank you very much.
Now we would move on to the next segment of the day.